Welcome to Healthy Cooking for Food Lovers. My name is Marie-France Garon. Today what we're making is a pizza, a healthy pizza. And we're gonna make our pizza base with cauliflower. This is my best friend. We make rice with this, we make so many things and it's delicious. So let's get started. We're making our pizza base with cauliflower and some eggs. And so I've prepared it already. Now when you see the cauliflower is here already chopped off really fine. You can grate it or you can put it in your food processor. This is what I did. I just used that small one here. So the secret to make it like nice and fine like that is to make sure that maybe when you wash your cauliflower, you put it on a towel first to take out as much water as you can, because we want it to be dry. We don't want to have any water in our base here. And put it in very small quantity in the food processor to make it fine, just like this. So this is our cauliflower rice or cauliflower base for our pizza. Now let's make this. And it's quite simple. We're going to use some eggs. I think my pizza will be a big long square pizza. I'll bake it in that tray here. You can make like a pizza base, like looking like a normal pizza, but I like to make it like this. So we'll break 3 eggs here for this recipe. So here we go. We have 3 eggs. We're going to beat them a little bit. So eggs, add some salt, and we're gonna mix our cauliflower with this and some Parmesan cheese here for our base. We're nearly done. We're gonna put in all this cauliflower here with the eggs, with the 3 eggs, all in, and start mixing that. Yep, perfect. You're just gonna see, depending what quantity, I have a whole cauliflower here because I'm making a big tray. So you're gonna vary how many eggs you want, and you will see it when your cauliflower absorb the egg like this and it start to really stick together. Then that's the right quantity. So you probably use 2 eggs if you make a smaller amount. And we're gonna add some freshly grated Parmesan cheese here. So that's gonna help all of this to stick together as a pizza base. So I've put here about 1 cup of cheese, and I think I will add the rest, another half a cup, so 1.5. Yeah. Okay, now we're ready to cook this. That's gonna cook at 300 degree Fahrenheit, 150 Celsius, and it's gonna cook for about 20 minutes. We don't want to cook it too fast because we want to eliminate any moisture that might be in our cauliflower still. So we want to cook it slowly in the oven. I'll show you a little tip here. Now we need to put some baking paper because we don't want to stick to the pan. So baking paper here. Voila. Now, just one little tip here that I learned from my friend Steve. When you put your baking paper, sometimes it just bounces back. So what we do is we throw it in hot water. I can go under the tap and put it in. So put it in hot water like that. And now your paper is all soft and it's easy to place in the tray, and it's gonna be following. See how it now we can make it. So we have our paper here really sitting really nicely here in the pan, makes things easier. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna put a little bit of olive oil first, so we make sure that our pizza base will be coming out easily. So I'll brush all that on the paper here to have my oil everywhere. So that's gonna come out easily when we take it out of the oven. Ready? Now we're gonna put all this cauliflower here on our pan, and we're gonna cook it at 150 Celsius for about 20 minutes. What we want is, we don't want to cook it too fast. So we're just pressing down all this cauliflower base here to make our pizza base. So ready to go in the oven now. And we're gonna prepare our nice topping for our pizza. Now what you put on your pizza, whatever is in the fridge or whatever you like in your pizza. Me, I put a lot, you will see. There'll be a lot of nice things coming on top here. So here's our pizza base, just came out of the oven and it's perfect. So that's good. And now we're gonna build our pizza just like you do your normal pizza. So we start with the pizza sauce. And so we'll put that all over here. Voila! Some cheese. This cheese has cheddar, mozzarella, parmesan. I like to put cheese in the middle and a little bit more on top. This is what I like to do. Just make it as you like your pizza. Now, I've got ham and pepperoni, and we'll put that all on our pizza here. You can put them just like so. It doesn't have to be all lined up perfect. I'll put all the ham first. I like it a little bit twisted like that. We have lots of ham and we have our pepperoni here. You can make it vegetarian, of course, if you like it. You can put lots of veggies here. Now, next, I have some nice sweet peppers or capsicum. They're all ready to go. Voila. I'll put just a little bit more cheese now, and I'll finish with the rest of my topping. So I'll just put cheese on top of this. So it's coming up beautifully. So we have all our cheese now, and we have capsicum, we have ham, we have pepperoni. Now we put artichokes, hearts of palm, and we have some asparagus. I cooked them before in the oven just to cook them a little bit, so they just went in the oven with a little bit of oil on it. So we're just gonna put them all over, not in a particular order. And to finish off, we have some olives because we love olives, some kalamata, That's all I've got for the pizza for today. It's going in the oven for another maybe 15 minutes at 350, 20 minutes. Here is our pizza. Just came out of the oven. Would be maybe a good idea to let it sit for a few minutes before we try to serve. I'm just gonna slide it out all onto the top here. I have a granite top bench here. So here's the pizza cutter, and we will see how that goes. To be able to cut it all, but we should be able to try a little piece here. Voila, our pizza is ready. So it is really a real pizza, and it tastes like a real pizza, and everybody enjoys this. It's healthy, delicious, and easy to make. Bon appétit!